Alright guys, I just got home from work and I had a package that was delivered to my apartment. It was left outside unfortunately because no one was here to get it. So they just left it outside and I'm very thankful that no one stole my package. Unlike where I used to live at, yeah, you really have to be there when your package gets delivered or else it's gone. So, anyways, yeah, this is not really, something interesting, but, I really wanted this. Just, kind of make my car different from others. From other Mustangs, but I'm gonna get on to it and open this up. Alright, got the box open here. And what do we got here? I got the Taillight sequencers. So y'all know how on Mustangs, how when the turn signals come on, they got the sequentials, but that's the only that's the only thing that is sequential with them. So I got this, so when I brake, it's gonna have the sequential braking, and when I have my hazards on, it's going to be sequential as well. So this is just basically plug and play. It just goes in between what's already there, and I guess I'll show you guys that. And I believe that's all that's in here. Nothing else to it. That's it. All right, what it is. So I forgot where I left off the last clip, but anyways, we're continuing this next day because that night when I got the package, it was nighttime. So here we are, another day.
Another dollar, you know my slogan, gang shit. Shout out to CBG, you feel me? We out here doing it big. You feel me? Snow that, this Jap Life, yo. Just wanted to let y'all know, man.
Yeah, go follow you on the gram.
Jap Life.
Popping up, link in the description, all that, all right?
Gang shit.
Now I'm about to, put this little Taillight sequencer in. It's real easy. So basically all you gotta do, pull this out, screw those. And put those right there. Pop this out, like so. Oh yeah. We do the other side. We're gonna do the other side. You wanna do it?
Got you, bro. Just you there.
I mean, and then the little module I'm gonna stick mine in right there is right there. As easy as plug and play. You shouldn't have to use any tools for this. But let me sit the phone down real quick, plug this in. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like afterwards.
I don't wanna break it, so.
Alright, so I got mine in, as y'all can see. Like, it's real simple and easy. Like, you don't need any instructions. Like I said, you just unplug that connector right there, then plug yours in, whatever, and then that's it. You over here working on the other side, it's like you're having a hard time. Over there.
Yeah, you might get a big
This nigga. Alright, record this for me, you know what I'm saying?
Got you, my bad. Cause I can break my car, I can't break yours, yo.
So, yeah, pop this one out. Put a little button there. Button that right there. Boom. Stick that in there. Ooh, boom. Hit that G spot right there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, got a threesome over here. Hold that. Oh, Shaba. And boom, that's like so. So what we gonna do, we're gonna test this out real quick before we put everything back together. Let's see if it's gonna do it on when I unlock the car. Ooh.
Dang, do that one more time.
Oh, wait a minute. Whoa.
That one out. Hold up.
Hold up, bro.
Yeah, do it again.
This gotta go back. Why this one's hold up, yo?
You might not push it all the way down. You might have just not finished it. You feel me? That was cute though. That was real cute how that just came on like that. You feel me?
Hold up. This thing might be broke already. It's going back ASAP. Yo.
Do it again. There you go. All I need to...
Yo, why this one keep staying on? Let me.
So is it supposed to stay on?
I don't know. Hold up.
Oh, you might have your signal light on or something. Y'all don't know.
They not.
They're not in sync.
Yeah, they're not in. Wait, is it the left and the right side?
Maybe you just got switch. Let's try it.
Okay, so I switched sides with the modules, and one of them is broken. So this definitely has to get returned back. As y'all can see, it comes on, but now the running light doesn't stay on. And as y'all seen before, earlier, like that light was off, but this one was on. So this one module over here is broke and it's gotta get returned. So with that being said, I'm highly disappointed because it's just, a simple, easy plug and play, and to get a broken part, that now I gotta send it back, go through the process of all that, gotta call them up, and I really don't have time for that, but it is what it is. So who was the company? Diode Dynamics. So, yeah, I'm gonna call them, see what they say. Hopefully they just send me out another one. I don't have to send this one back, but we'll see. But until then, earlier, I was, figuring out what was wrong with my car. I didn't record it, but anyway, I had an ABS light and all my advanced service track and airbag light came on. So trying to diagnose what that was. Got the code red, it's for a tone ring. So I took the wheel off, took the rotor off, trying to figure out what can I see, what can I not see. Couldn't really see anything. So I did order new wheel hubs, so when I get my cat deletes put on, and yes, cat deletes, that's getting put on in about a week or so, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna get that wheel hub put on, and hopefully that fixes the issue. If not, I don't know. Take it to the mechanic or somebody for it, I don't know, so I can figure out what it is. I don't know, but that's all I got to say. I'm out of here. Make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, whatever. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out of here.